Hi, and welcome back to Feature Insights. Today we'll be taking a look at how Presley's coverage feature works, with a little help from Mark Thunham, the in-house PR communications manager at sustainable energy supplier Eneco. In a nutshell, the coverage feature lets you log any coverage of your brand and link it to your contacts and newsrooms, so you always have a clear overview of who is covering your stories. That coverage can be anything, from a news article, a PDF, a podcast episode, or YouTube video, or even a tweet. Here's why Mark uses the feature.
Most of the time, it's a time saver, because what we did before is we kept it manually, because we do a media clipping review each morning towards some company stakeholders, and now it's automatically. So it goes automatically into a centralized list, and also that centralized lists contain information on the author, and the author is also automatically taken over in my contacts list. So I think it's convenient. It saves an enormous amount of time.
That's right. Whenever you record a piece of coverage to Presley, our system automatically connects it to its author or outlet in your CRM. And if that author isn't someone you know, we'll automatically create a new contact entry for them so you can easily follow up. This comes in very useful for helping you manage your contact lists.
Yeah, absolutely, because there are also all-time new journalists or freelance journalists that you can't really keep track of. And if they are mentioned automatically in the coverage area and also automatically transferred to the context section, it's easy to keep them up to date.
To make things even easier, Mark uses an integration between Presley and Belga, a Belgian coverage tracker. This means that every time Eneco is mentioned in the press, Belga captures the mention and feeds it straight into Presley, updating your system without you having to lift a finger. Or in Mark's words,
it saves a lot of time, it makes my life easier and the output more effective.
Want to give it a go for yourself? Get in touch and we'll be happy to show you around. Thanks for watching and see you next time.